A week in Bali costs $560. A week in Chiang Mai costs $245. Same mountain air, same world-class food scene, same fiber internet, same time zone advantage for European remote workers. 75% less money. This is the exact 7-day working travel blueprint for Chiang Mai in 2026. For employed professionals running remote jobs, the calculation is specific. You have 7 days of annual leave, you need unbroken digital infrastructure, you want maximum quality of life at minimum cost, and you want to come back with money in your account rather than a credit card bill. Chiang Mai solves every one of those variables simultaneously. Chapter 1. The numbers before anything else. Before logistics, before neighborhood guides, before day trips, the numbers. 7 nights in a modern Nomad studio apartment with rooftop pool access, fiber optic internet, and air conditioning. $210. Daily food covering breakfast at a local stall, lunch at a neighborhood eatery, and dinner at a sit-down cafe in Nomad. $15 per day, $105 total. Transport for the week including the airport grab ride, daily grab taxi trips, and 1 scooter rental for the weekend, $35. Co-working day passes at Pun Space or Hub 53, used 4 of 7 days, $28. Weekend activities including temple entrance fees, a Doi Inthanon mountain day trip, and sticky waterfall admission, $20. Grand total for a full 7-day working trip to Chiang Mai, $398. A comparable week in Bali, same apartment class, same food quality, same digital infrastructure, runs between $550 and $600. If you want this spreadsheet pre-formatted with your own salary, hours, and leave allocation, subscribe to 9 to 5 Itineraries right now. We publish one data-backed blueprint every week, and the cost sheet for this episode is linked in the description. Chapter 2. Day 1. Arrival and Setup. You land at Chiang Mai International Airport 5 kilometers southwest of the Old City. Do not engage with the taxi queue outside arrivals. Open Grab on your mobile, connect to the airport's public Wi-Fi, and book a private air-conditioned sedan directly to your apartment in Nomad. Cost: 120 Thai baht, or $3.50. At the carrier counter in the arrivals hall, purchase an AIS or TrueMove SIM card for 350 baht, $10, with 30 gigabytes of 5G data. You are now connected with faster mobile speeds than most Western cities. Your apartment in Nomad should be booked in advance for the entire 7 days. Target: a modern studio building with confirmed fiber optic internet speeds above 200 megabits per second, a dedicated work desk, air conditioning, and at minimum a rooftop pool. Budget: 800 to 1,200 baht per night, or $23 to $34. Arrive, unpack, test your internet with a speed check, confirm your Monday morning meeting bandwidth, then walk to Nomad's main soy strip. Dinner tonight: a bowl of cow soy at any neighborhood restaurant. Cost: 60 to 80 baht, $2. Eat it properly: rich coconut broth, tender braised chicken, crispy egg noodles on top, lime and pickled cabbage on the side. You have just had one of the best bowls of noodles available anywhere in Southeast Asia for $2. Chapter 3. Days 2 through 4. The Work Core. Your primary work base is your apartment. The fiber connection handles everything. When you need a change of environment, Pun Space at Nomad Soi 13 opens at 8 in the morning. Day pass cost: 200 baht, $6. The space has private phone booths for client calls, dual ISP fiber lines, standing desks, and a cafe counter serving espresso drinks for 60 baht. For casual work sessions that do not involve sensitive video calls, local specialty cafes like Rister 82 and Graph offer stable Wi-Fi, abundant power outlets, and some of the best single-origin espresso in Southeast Asia for under $3 per cup. The atmosphere is calm, serious, and focused. You will not be the only person working. Food during the work core: breakfast from a local morning market stall near your building. Rice porridge or fried egg on rice with pork, 40 baht, $1. Lunch from a neighborhood eatery: pad cew, papaya salad, or a Thai-style stir-fry with jasmine rice, 50 to 70 baht, $2. Evening cafe dinner in Nomad: 150 to 200 baht, $4 to $6. You are eating well and tracking toward the $15 daily food target. Chapter 4. Day 3. Midweek Mountain Reset. Wednesday afternoon after your last scheduled call, leave your laptop at the apartment and take a songthaw from the Chiang Mai University Gate up to Doi Suthep Mountain. The shared red truck departs regularly for 60 baht each way, under $2. The drive takes 25 minutes up a winding mountain road through dense jungle to the golden stupa of Wat Phra That Doi Suthep at 1,073 meters above sea level. The temple grounds themselves cost 90 baht entrance, $3. The view from the main terrace stretches across the entire Chiang Mai Valley. You can see the grid of the city far below, the smudge of mountains to the north, and on a clear late-season afternoon, the horizon extends further than any urban rooftop bar in Europe could provide. Spend 90 minutes at the temple, then work from the small mountain cafe at the top with strong LTE mobile data until the light drops. Return to Nomad before dark. Total cost for the afternoon, $7. Total mental reset value, significant. Chapter 5. Days 5 and 6, Weekend Field Operations. Saturday morning, rent a quality automatic scooter from any local rental shop on Nomad Soi 17 for 200 baht. $6 for the full day. Fill the tank for another 50 baht. Drive north to the sticky waterfall, Nam Tok Bua Thong, 90 minutes from the city. The mineral deposits on the limestone create a non-slip surface. You can climb directly up the waterfall itself. The trail back through the surrounding forest takes 30 minutes. Total cost including entrance and food at the nearby stall, $12. Sunday is Doi Inthanon Day, Thailand's highest mountain at 2,565 meters. Either rent a scooter again or hire a private driver through Grab for $35 for the full day. The summit features twin royal pagodas, cloud forest walking trails, rare high-altitude orchids, and a temperature drop of 15 degrees compared to the city. Bring a light jacket. Bring a camera. Spend 5 to 6 hours and drive back in the early afternoon. Sunday evening. The Old City Walking Street Market runs from 4 in the afternoon through 10 at night. 1 kilometer of local craft vendors, street performers, and food stalls. Fresh mango sticky rice, 40 baht, $1. Hand-thrown ceramic cups from a local artisan, $2. Budget for the evening, $10 to $15 maximum. Chapter 6. Neighborhoods, where to actually stay. Namanhaman is the correct default for working travelers on a 7-day trip. It has the highest cafe density, the best co-working access, the most consistent apartment quality, and the most walkable daily living infrastructure. It is not the cheapest neighborhood, but at $23 to $34 per night for a modern studio, it is the most efficient cost per productivity ratio on the island. The historic Old City is the alternative for travelers who prioritize atmosphere over convenience. Quiet tree-lined lanes, ancient Buddhist temples like Wat Chedi Luang, boutique guest houses with garden courtyards. Accommodation runs $18 to $28 per night. The downside is fewer co-working options within walking distance. Manageable with a short Grab ride. Santatham, just north of Nomad, is the stealth option for budget optimization. Local morning produce markets, neighborhood eateries, and modern studio apartments for $15 to $20 per night, while remaining within walking distance of the Nomad co-working cluster. Internet speeds are comparable. Cafe density is lower. If you are willing to walk 10 minutes to your desk, Santatham returns $200 across a 7-day stay compared to Prime Nomad. Chapter 7. Health, routine, and sustainability on the road. Chiang Mai is one of the easiest cities in Southeast Asia to maintain physical and dietary discipline during a working trip. Modern air-conditioned gyms in Nomad offer drop-in passes for 150 to 200 baht, $4 to $6. Muay Thai training camps operate morning and evening sessions for $5 to $8 per class. Yoga studios and Pilates spaces run similarly. Clean food is not a compromise here. Fresh cold-pressed juice bars, vegan restaurants, and organic food markets are distributed throughout Nomad and the Old City, making it structurally easy to eat well without spending more than the standard food budget. The local morning markets supply an abundance of tropical fruit at minimal cost. A kilogram of lychees, rambutan, or dragon fruit for under $1. Water is the one infrastructure rule to follow. Drink bottled or filtered only. Refill at the dispensers placed throughout apartment lobbies and co-working spaces, and budget 50 baht per day for refills. Chapter 8. The annual leave calculation. This is the part that matters for the working professional deciding between Bangkok, Bali, Chiang Mai, or staying home. 7 days of annual leave in Chiang Mai produces the following outcome. Total financial cost, $398. Total days of high productivity remote work, 5. In a significantly higher quality environment than most home offices. Total cultural and physical experiences, 1 mountain temple, 2 waterfall excursions, 7-day immersion in world-class regional cuisine, 1 night market, 1 mountain summit. compared to staying home. No cost savings, no cultural input, the same desk, the same four walls. Compared to Bali. $150 to $200 more expensive, higher transport friction, denser tourist infrastructure, equivalent digital capabilities. The case for Chiang Mai is not that it is perfect. It is that it solves the working travel equation better than any comparable city in the region, at a cost that makes sense within a standard employed professional's annual budget. Chapter 9. Complete Cost Sheet. 7 nights, Niman Studio Apartment, all-inclusive, $210. Airport transfers and weekly grab taxis, $15. Scooter rental for 2 weekend days, $12. Food, dining, and specialty coffee for 7 days, $105. Co-working day passes 4 days, $28. Weekend day trips, temple fees and waterfall access, $20. Miscellaneous. SIM card, water incidentals, $8. Total $398 for 7 days of working travel in one of the highest quality remote work destinations in the world. Download the cost spreadsheet in the description to customize every line item against your own daily rate and leave entitlement. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe to 9 to 5 Itineraries for our next city blueprint. Next week we are publishing the full working travel guide to Tbilisi, Georgia, where 7 days costs even less. See you there.